Every day begins with a choice to nourish our body, mind, and soul. As someone who spends most of the time working from home, it's easy to get life sedentary. But today, I'm choosing to move. I'm choosing to eat wholesome meals that nourish me from the inside out. That's why I have started this 1000 day challenge to take small, meaningful steps towards a healthier life. My mornings start with something simple but energizing. It might be a simple ABC juice, carrot juice, beetroot juice, or a lemon ginger juice. It's light, refreshing, and a great way to wake up my digestive system. I used to struggle with digestion, a weak stomach, bloating, and discomfort were a regular part of my day. But these small morning rituals, like starting with warm, soothing drinks or juices, have made all the difference. When it comes to breakfast, I like to keep things simple and quick, especially on busy working days. Today, I'm having a boiled sprout salad packed with protein and fiber. The key is preparing in advance. I use a food processor to chop everything and it saves so much time. If you don't have already one, consider gifting it to your moms or partners. It's a real game changer. Using a food processor or a chopper to chop everything saves lot of time, and it also helps in kneading the dough for the rotis or parathas. Staying active is tough when you work from home. Trust me, I used to hate moving and I'd make every excuse possible. But now I try to get at least 10,000 steps a day. Sometimes I walk in the garden. Sometimes I sneak a quick yoga session on the terrace. Movement is not just doing something intense every day. It is about consistency. Little steps, literally. Lunchtime is all about balance. Today, I am making a thali peet mixed with vegetables. I know it sounds a very time consuming meal, but here's a tip. Use the food processor to chop the veggies and then knead the dough after that. You can prep everything under 15 minutes. I like meals that are wholesome with a mix of grains, vegetables, pulses, and spices, keeping it fresh and nutritious. Between the meetings and tasks, I snack on something seasonal, that is seasonal fruits and soaked nuts. Simple natural foods that give me energy without the crash. When you are sitting all day, it's really tempting to grab something processed, and reaching for fruits and nuts makes us feel lighter and focused instead. I also try to include a dance session in between the meetings when I get a break. Then by dinner, I like to keep things light. Today, I am making a simple vegetable soup and a cucumber salad. It's easy on digestion and a nice way to wind down. After a long day sitting and eating heavy meals at night doesn't just suit me anymore. I started this journey because I knew I had to change something in my life. As a work from home professional, it's so easy to slip into unhealthy habits. I have realized with small, simple steps I can nourish myself. No crazy diets, no exhausting workout routines, just wholesome meals, movement, and mindfulness. It's not about being perfect, it's just about the progress. If you have been feeling the same way, I encourage you to join me in the 10,000 day challenge. We can do this one day at a time. I encourage you to join me in the 1000 day challenge. We can do this one day at a time. Join me in the 1000 day challenge. You can download my weekly plan in the description.